Here we go with part 2, removing the flax or the packing out of a stuffing box, the traditional stuffing box. So you can see I just showed you the professional flax or packing removal. It's just a giant screw with a T-handle on the back of it. Our part 1 video, you may have seen me use a wood screw, hammered in with a hammer, and then a screwdriver to screw it in deeper. And let's see what we've got here. Almost, but you can see we've got a lot that's pulled out. And that's a ring puller tool. So if you were in the water pressure, about 1 psi of water pressure would help push that out. Maybe 2 psi water pressure, depending on how deep underwater your stuffing box is. Well, I guess that grunt showed it's in there pretty tight. The guys outside are getting busy, and I'm on the inside getting busy. Our goal is to get the boat out of the boatyard as quick as possible so we don't have to pay our daily rates. So you got to keep on pulling this out, and again, if you're floating in the water, it would help push the debris out. And I guess you might be noticing it's not such a bad idea to pay somebody to do it instead of you having to do it yourself. So if you've got questions about stuffing boxes, engines, bilge pumps, generators, anything of that nature, you know who to call. Ask Captain Chris.